Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Undumiso Noel Keane.
Yeah. Yabona namhlanje?
Yeah.
Bengizo support the Chiefs.
Sure.
Lokho ngikwana.
Yes.
Ne.
Yes.
Mara. Mele bangathi thina ngesithatha league.
Yeah.
Ne.
Yeah.
Bona.
Basho kanjani?
Oh basho kanjalo
basho kanjani?
Ne.
Bathi khohlwe ngini.
Ubani? Ya mina ngizoyithatha ne.
Yeah.
Njama vele ngifuthi nina nibe siphikisane nayo le league. Bangathi thina angeke.
Yeah.
Angeke sithathe le league. Bona nje mele basupport thina. Kuthi no silusane ne Sundowns. Bona mele basishayele Sundowns.
Yeah. Simple. Yeah.
Yabona laba bathathe league mngani wami laba boyithula le khukhu le ngachinje bemhlophe
Ayashintsha angeke ngizeke.
Lalela Sthiwa
Uzile Ndumile.
bengihleli ngemva kwakhila ho.
Yeah.
Bekasukumile ukhila. Bazashintsha neskipa wasibhekisa ngale.
Yeah.
Kodwa ngimbone seyahlala phansi. Ngasho ngathi no ukhathele yamkhathaza le team yakhe.
iChiefs.
Yamkhathaza.
Bengaqule namhlanje ukhila. Ngimanga hlala khipha ingoma.
Yabo manje ngaba concern ngathi hawu ngabona ngathi yamkhathaza le team yakhe.
Yeah, ngiyakubala.
Kodwa ngicela ukuthi endaweni kaMfundo Vilakazi yabona as long as umfundo Vilakazi angangeni ku first 11
Sure.
boyithatha after World Cup
League angeke balungu.
angeke uzothi ngakutshela
Ngiyakubala.
boyithatha after World Cup.
bese unithatha ne
Mina awuzobona Steve angifuna ukuba mude ngoba ngizothi ngathi and angifuna ukuthi kodwa wena ngikulindile le fonile uze le siyakuwe ne
sizakuwe
besakithi
mara thina sidlalele toilet angithi uyazi
Akiwani toilet
UFNB
uze khaya
adlalele
ngiyabonga Steve
ukotoli sibayi.
amakhosi awinile ukotola kanjani.
Thank you Bafethu.
Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.